So hello guys, today I am back again with another question on Codeforces. So this is a D level question, and first of all, happy Diwali to everyone. So this is a D level question, and you can read the question and understand it by I will directly go to input and output. So basically in this question, this first number is the number of elements in the array, and then you have an integer array, and after that you need to just output in this 4 is in such way ki that for the first element you need to for the first element this is 0 time taken, and for the second one this one is the time taken, and for the third one is the sum of these previous two, then fourth one sum of the previous numbers. So basically this is the time that a person can wait. So you need to swap them in such a order so that the maximum person can done their work before their waiting time finish. Okay, so this is the question, and if a person have to wait more than the waiting time he has, then that time cannot be counted in the sum of the next person. Okay, so this is the question. So this is a very easy question, and it is given in D level. Basically just you need to store this in a vector, then sort that vector and take another vector in which you just have the sum of these numbers. Either you can take a vector or you can take an integer also, and depending on the depending on that number ki that number is small, the sum is smaller than the current number, then it cannot be disappointed, and if the number is greater than this current number, then the person is disappointed. Okay, so this is the question, and let's go to the code. So basically first number is for taking the number of inputs, like that will be the number of elements in your array. Then this is a vector, there you will store the waiting time of each person. After that you will sort this array so that the lesser waiting time person should come first and the greater waiting time person should come at the last. So and then this is the final answer, FANS. So this is the final answer. I taken initialize with 1 because always the first person will will always be not disappointed. So this is the logic here to initializing with the 1. Then now you take another vector helper so that you can store the waiting time for each person. So if second here for the first person I have to compare, for the second person I have to compare the waiting time of the first person. So here I stored at the 0 the waiting time for the first person. Okay, similarly you need to store the waiting time for each person depending on that key whether the current person waiting time is greater than the sum what you got from the previous one. Okay, so depending on this, and you will just increase the final answer count by 1 if it is under the limit, and if it is not under the limit then no need to increase, and your sum will be the same. You will not add the waiting time of that current person here. So this is the question, and I have already submitted the question on the Codeforces, and you can see here also I have submitted. So this is I have already submitted, and hope you have understood this question. And if you have any doubt in this question you can ask me in the comment, or you can if you have a better approach than this, then you can also put that in comment. I will also get to know. So this is all in this video. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. Thank you.